What's up, guys? I'm back with another video called Happy Wheels. I'm playing a game called Happy Wheels, and this is my second Happy Wheels video. And I decided I'm gonna start re-uploading on this channel. Soon I'll get a new channel, but I'm gonna leave this channel here and I'm not gonna delete anything. And yeah, let's do the rating of this week. That means most popular is the rope swing, which I do not like very much. I haven't played in a while again. Ooh, what happened? I don't know how to control it. I don't remember. Ooh. This level is pretty cool. No! I'm getting used to the controls again. Okay. The bottle's slipping me this time. Come on. No. Come on. Come on. Yes. Got it. No! So I made it. Okay, what's now? Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Whoa, that was a close one. No! No! Took me a couple tries to even get to there. I haven't played in so long. Well, it's only been like 2 months. Why did I restart? Oh yeah. Ugh. It's only been 2 months and I'm already bad at playing Happy Wheels again. Come on. Yeah. No! I'm not gonna suffer anymore. I'm gonna try getting used to something that's easier. This is just a meme review, so. World record egg? Oh yeah. I remember that, like on, I don't know. But I know that it's me. Oh no. He had his, oh no! What happened? I don't get to see all the memes. I guess I'll never get to see the memes. Hot Pog. Hot Pog. What's this? I don't like this. No! Come on, I can make it still. No, I can't. Why am I even playing Happy Wheels? It's not popular. No one really likes Happy Wheels anymore. Those screams. They're terrifying. Why am I playing Happy Wheels? I just had a feeling. More screams. Come on. Bam. Come on. Don't jump too far. Come on. No! Oh, what happened? That was close. No! I gotta get used to the controls, so maybe if I actually do this one. Oh no! I didn't know it would be that quick. Go, 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 go! Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh no! I can still make it. My heart can still make it. No, it can't. That's what I thought. Come on, come on, go, 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 go. It's gonna get you. Oh no! I landed on my head. Oof. Vroom, vroom. Oh no, 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 no. Keep going, keep going. Oh no! How can I do this? Oh no! Go, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't stop. My heart made it. I gotta count that as a win because why not? And I don't want to be playing the same level forever and ever. It's obviously not really a win. How do I jump? I forgot. No! Let me figure out how to jump. Okay, so is it? No, it's not that. Oh, there you go. It's F. Wait. Yeah. I customized the controls so that it would be easier for me instead of like the arrow keys and stuff. What? Oof. Get him! Get out of my way. Get off me, old man. That's what you get. I'm sorry. No! I'm so sorry. No! I touched the guillotine. Come on, you dumb elf. I don't want to hurt you. Okay. Oh, jeez. There you go. That stupid elf. Oh, come on. Yes, I'm gonna make it. Yago. Whee! Okay. Oh. What did it say? Gold Knight versus Black Knight. Annual jousting competition. So let's go right here. No! I guess I gotta like jump. Come on. I think I might have played this in my last video, but I don't know, because it's been 2 months. Because I remember this. I do not press Z, I press R. Wait. Okay, F. Charge. Charge. Oh, I like that. That's cool. Pokemon training. I'm gonna pick old man. What? On the Pokemon. Oh no, not Pikachu. Ah! Am I still alive? I don't think I can even escape. That evil Pikachu. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Yay! No! No! Whoa! Ah! I almost died. Beefcake? What? Oh! Okay. How do I get up? Come on. How do you get up? Oh, there you go. Jigglypuff is coming. Wait. It was a little... Ah! I knew it was a little wiggly right there. Self-destruct. No, 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 no! Am I still alive? No! His hand is still there. It's like... I don't know. I gotta do this all again. I'm back to where I was. Come on. Go, 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 go. Oh, that was close. Oh, jeez. No, my head. Maybe the ending is just around the corner. Nope. That sucks. Oh, not again. Ah! No! Evil Jigglypuff. I'm giving up. That scared me. If I unpause it. Okay. I'm just gonna... You know... change it. I was stretching. Let's see. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. No! I got grinded up and there's a fat face. Ugh. I just gotta keep going. Keep going! No, I did it wrong already. Come on. You could do it. Come on. You could do it, Dad. No! Oh! Son, you can make it. Do it, son. You can do it, son. Come on. Son, no! You're such a dumb boy. No, stop grabbing my guts. Come on. Stop. No, let go of my brain. Let go of my brain. Bad son. Bad son. You can make it. Just don't grab onto my brain. What are you doing over there? You're like wiggling like a worm. Oh, come on. No, son, that's even more difficult. Why'd you do this, son? No, son, you can't make it with a broken arm. Maybe you can, but it's gonna be way more difficult. Okay, I'm giving up. Well, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye. And wait, before I leave, I might have an intro soon. I just have to edit my videos and stuff a little more. I have to figure out how to add my intro, cause I'm gonna add an intro. I'll have it soon. Bye.